What is up, YouTube fam? It's your girl Lindsay Bella Cruz. I'm back with you today with another video here. I'm showing you this super cute bunny ears stand slash holder that I received from Peach Thursdays. I'll have the link in the description below so you could grab one for yourself. But these are the cutest little things I've ever seen. They hold just about anything, but I would recommend this stand for, like, if you have like a tablet, like an iPad, perfect for holding it for you. I'll be showing you the different things that you can use it for, but iPad's perfect. Another one would be like if you had like a Nintendo Switch, or if you have someone that who owns one of those, they can use that for this as well. And they can also put like a phone on there, like if you have like a phone, whatever, you can use it for that, but you can also use it for other things too. But it's super sturdy, super adjustable. Like, oh my god, I just couldn't wait to come and share it with you guys. Right here I had a tablet, as you can see. It was a little messy, so don't mind that. But yeah, it held the tablet very well. Super sturdy, like I said. No issues. You can adjust the height, like I said earlier, to whatever you want. Right here I'm showing you with the Nintendo Switch right here. Like I said, a super sturdy, perfect to go anywhere on the go, whatever you choose. I definitely recommend this stand for you guys. You could adjust the height, again, like I said, you could do whatever you want. This stand is so perfect. Perfect for anything you're looking to hold with. I'm going to also show you with the phone as well, an iPhone, in a minute. But like I said, oh my god, guys, I love this thing. It's so handy. Even my boyfriend loves it. Like, it could be for anybody. It's a perfect holder, like I said. I believe they're going for $12.50 on the website. So if you're interested, definitely head on over there and support this company. And get them while you can, because once they're gone, they're gone. I don't think they're gonna be selling them again. Here you go with the phone, like I told you. I'm over here adjusting it for you so you can see how well it holds it. Like, this is so perfect. And you don't have to put anything together, no assembly required or anything like that. And they come in 3 different colors. White, as you can see here. The next one they also come in is also in pink, as you can see here, and the third one, it comes in green. So you have 3 different options to choose from. So like I said, get them while you can, because once they're gone, they're gone. I'm not sure when they're gonna be coming back, so definitely grab them while you can. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, thank you again. Bye bye.